Good morning, brothers and sisters. It is currently 10:34 a.m. Central Standard Time on January 25th, 2022. I hope our good Creator is keeping you well and safe wherever you are in the world. Folks, we had a decent little C flare pop off early this morning. Looks like 10:30 UTC time, so that was about 6 hours ago. And we had another one pop off right around 5:50 UTC time. But we have got some serious covering up going on, folks. That's all I got to say. Now, let me show you here in just a minute. We were at spaceweatherlive.com just a minute ago, and now we are at Space Weather Prediction Center. And I'd like to bring attention to this. Look at this. Effective February 18th, 2022, the NWS will discontinue the Legacy Wing Sheely ARG website. Based at the WSA. What is the WSA? This is the Enlil prediction model. That's right. WSA Enlil. Bye-bye, Anunnaki. See you later, Sumerian wannabe god of the Bible, trying to pretend like you're something. Well, you're something, but now you're something about to be gone. Now, just for those of you who aren't know, that's exactly what this is. WSA product website. That is the Enlil. Let me show you. We'll go to dashboards, Space Weather Enthusiasts. Oh, come on, you coolest thing. WSA Enlil prediction. I wonder where he's going. Where's the wannabe god that so many people know and don't realize? We are in event mode, folks. We had a blast here. Lots of activity here. Poles jumping all over the place. Going down below 6 and above 6. So, yeah, we are getting hit by them solar winds from the coronal hole. This is the most recent C flare activity that we just had pop off. Looks like most of Africa did get quite a little burst of radiation, and it kind of lit up to it. You can kind of see it kind of stinging up, and then whoop. So yeah, Africa, you got hammered with a C flare. It's not a ton though. C flares are, I mean, it's something to keep note of, but it's nothing to panic about. I mean, you did get a little bit of X-ray though. Now over here with the European Space Agency, we are looking like we are going to be taking about 46 to 47 centimeters cubed of plasma on the 26th, 2013 UTC time, minus 6 hours, and that's what we're looking at for here in the United States. 20 from this is 1400, so that would be about 2 p.m. Central Standard Time on the 26th. Well, how are we going to get a pop like that? It's kind of interesting. Well, we've had some stuff kick off the sun, folks, and one of them is coming coming our direction. Remember I showed you the other day, and that's when we're going to get. That is a direct hit. It looks like it's not a long event. It looks like it's just a pop and then shoots right back down. But either way, incoming. We are over here at seeds, and this is where the cover-up begins. Let me show you this. We have the coronal mass ejection coming off the top of the sun and off to the side. Okay, you'll be able to see it here clearly. If this thing will actually let me, come on. There we go. See it coming off the top there, and off to the side. Okay, you can see both. Now this is directly facing the Earth. This satellite is right in front of the Earth. Watch this. See that? You can clearly see it. Oh. What is that? That's interesting. Yeah. Whoa, what is this line? Coming right to the sun our way, and you can kind of see it here too. A little bit faded, but it's definitely there. Very interesting, right? So we clearly see that. There was a coronal mass ejection, no matter what. However, we have a problem. In fact, let's go over to... Oh, come on. Let me go back. Come over here to Sechi Beacon, and it shows it too. Boop. And now this one here is off at an angle. This one's not Earth facing. So Earth would be like over here, okay? And this one is sitting over here on a geomagnetic line. This is stereo ahead. So you can see it coming off the sun this way. So it's pretty much right coming at us. That's in our direction. but they're starting to scrub data already. Let me show you. I've gone to SDO, the actual website. I've looked on spaceweatherlive.com. I've looked on spaceweatherpredictioncenter.com. And here I am at ISWA, and all three sites are showing the same thing. I'm trying to find the pop, okay, where it came from. I know that it came from right around in here. Okay, so here we are today, 1404. But when you go to back it up, look at that. It jumps from 1927 yesterday, UTC time, and then the next is 1404. Look at how many hours of missing data that is. That's almost a full 24 hours, folks. Look at that. In fact, that's what, 5 hours short of 24, so that's 19 hours of missing data. They're starting to scrub the data. It would have been there, and I've looked on every single angstrom, and they all do the same thing. Look at. Oh, come on. It's going to drive me nuts. Back it up. Look at, see that? They're all doing it. They are starting to scrub the data, and now I will say I did see this. I did see the data on another channel at 2 o'clock in the morning. I was like, okay, it woke me up, and I'm like, all right, I'll cover it when I get up. So I have some alarm set, and I do get notifications when stuff goes off. And I looked at it at 2, and I'm like, okay, I'll cover it in the morning. Now the data is missing. Where'd it go? Why are they taking it down? Well, y'all know, don't you? We'll see if they are honest and they fill it back in. Why would they have it up and then take it down? Think about this. Do you think our government has our best interest at heart? Absolutely not. Y'all stay safe out there, folks, and remember that love is the only way forward.